again, guys. We're at the entrance of the reception area of the park, Addo National Elephant Park. This is some cool game driving vehicles over there. It's gonna roll through here, and this nice wood structure, pretty rad. So over here you get a fine 1,500 rand, and you'll be escorted out the park if you hang outside your car, which clearly people do. Effects of noise on wildlife. Continuous noise exposure as is a potential stressor, negatively impacts the communication system and welfare state of animals. Therefore, we kindly ask you to turn off your vehicle engine when observing the animals. Thank you. Enjoy your stay. Then there's the whole park over here. We are up here, and then this is the full park over here. So today's sightings: elephants. Not sure what that means, but a lot of hyena, a lot of leopards, a lot of buffalo. That's pretty rad, eh? And then if you come here, you get to look in the store. It's a curio shop where you're gonna just find the usual stuff. All this cool wildlife gear ready to buy. Tourists will take it all home, and you can't go wrong. Look at this tree. Isn't it beautiful? Right, guys, keep rolling.